guys, today I am doing my June Sips By unboxing and review. I'm so excited about this one. This is, I believe, my third box from Sips By. If you don't know, Sips By is a tea subscription service, and I love it. Now, they do send these out to me every month for free in exchange for my honest opinion and review. So this is completely honest, like I'm not, lying or anything like that. I also have a coupon code down below for you guys if you want to try it out. And so far I've been really impressed and excited. It's such a cool way to try new teas, whether you are like a tea connoisseur or you're new to tea like me. And this month really excited me. Right now we're just going to introduce the teas, talk a little bit about what it says, things like that. And then I'm actually going to put in some like vlogish footage for you guys to see me actually trying tea in real time instead of just coming on and talking about it. Here's the cute little box, nice and simple. They don't overdo it with packaging, which is amazing. And you get 4 different teas, but 4 of each, so you get 16 teas. The first tea in here is a sweet peppermint tea, and it's a drop, which I thought was so cool. Never seen anything like this. Sweet mint and peppermint tea drops. It's a loose leaf tea that dissolves. It's caffeine free. It's like, is it in the shape of a heart? Oh my god, it is. It's like a little block of tea leaves. It's like hardened, and you drop it in the hot water, I guess, and it just dissolves. It says, pour, drop, enjoy. That's super cool. I've never actually had a peppermint tea, I don't believe. Next up, Woot Woot, Raise the Roof. This is the one as soon as I saw it, I was like, yes, my favorite. I love chamomile tea. Chamomile tea is probably my favorite kind of tea. I drink chamomile tea almost every night. I love chamomile tea. Can't stop talking about it. And this one has chamomile and my favorite smell ever, lavender. So this is the Asheville Tea Company chamomile tea, chamomile, anise, hyssop, tulsi, and lavender. It's caffeine free, of course. It says, so you're supposed to steep this one for 5 to 10 minutes in 8 ounces of water. It's a lovely blend of fresh ingredients sourced from local farms. It's not only calming and stress relieving, but also antibacterial and anti-inflammatory. Oh, that's cool. Comes just like in a normal packet, and this one does not have a string to like plop the tea in and out. It's just tea bag. 2 more in here. We have the organic moringa green tea. Now this brand, actually Miracle Tree, was the one that I really liked. I think it was my first box. They had a mango tea and I loved it. Green tea is not my favorite. A green tea, just for some reason, I don't know, I find it to be very leafy and like tastes like grass. I don't know. But I will obviously try it, and this is low caffeine, which is nice. Sometimes you don't want like a full caffeine. Moringa is one of the world's most nutrient-dense superfoods. It's rich in vitamins, minerals, and amino acids. It can be used daily to restore dietary imbalances. Interesting. And then lastly is the high caffeine tea, and I do find that usually they give you a nice balance of no caffeine, low caffeine, high caffeine, things like that. Next one is a fruity one, which is interesting because I've always been like, ew, fruity tea is gross. But I really love that mango one in the first box, and this one's Wild Strawberry by David's Organic Teas. It says, Wild Strawberry combines organic black tea sourced from family tea gardens in 2 places I cannot pronounce in India with a splash of sweet strawberry essence. Oh, so it's a black tea with strawberry in it. Interesting. Oh, okay. Okay, that's cool. I always like trying this out. I have a nice collection now too. If there's one that I didn't finish, I can add them into a little collection and offer them to people when they come over. Not that I have anyone come over, because I'm just here with my cats. But, whatever. And I'll see you guys in a little bit. So this is, like I said, the lavender chamomile. This is what I'm most excited about. It's been steeping for almost 10 minutes now. It says to steep for 5 to 10 minutes. It smells so good, like lavender. Lavender, if you're not familiar with me, I love lavender. Lavender is one of my top. Ooh, my stomach, did you hear that? Lavender is like my favorite scent ever. I don't know about flavor, but I did recently try like a lavender blueberry drink and it was really good. And this is a no caffeine. It's not caffeine like decaf. It's like no caffeine, caffeine free. So let's try it. Oh, it just smells so good. Like even if you just smelled this, I feel like you would be relaxed. So it's almost 10 o'clock at night, so perfect time. I don't know if you can see that. I put a picture in. It's way darker than normal. It's probably the lavender in it. Hang on. Ooh, I like it. I really like that, actually. I do have a soft spot for honey, like a honey vanilla one from Bigelow I really like, but I feel like this is very, more natural than that. Like that has like a honey vanilla flavor that's kind of like that warm, cozy vibe. And this one is more like natural herbal tea. This angle is terrible. I'm sorry about that giant zit right there, but periods. I would really, really like this so far. It's not too strong, the lavender flavor. The scent is kind of what it is more so. So I'm very happy with this. Cheers to the first tea that I really like. It smells like green tea, but it's not too horrible. You know, for green tea, it's really not bad. I'll probably have another one. So, okay, good. It tastes not as leafy and grassy. It's a little more, has like more of a fruitiness to it, so not bad. I like it. It's not my favorite, but I like it better than some other ones I've had. So, if you like green tea, you'll like it. Try to excuse how gross I look. I even have a chocolate stain, but whatever. So I'm trying the strawberry one now because it's... Whoa! Just completely dropped the phone. Okay. I'm trying the strawberry one and I can smell it. Like, it's probably a foot away from me and I can smell the strawberry. Literally just taking the bag out of the packet, you can smell the strawberry in it. So it's definitely not like a hint of strawberry. It is full-on strawberry. Have you ever had the cereal that has like the freeze-dried strawberries in it? You know how strong that smell is? That's what it's like. Actually smells really good. It looks like this. I just put the tea bag in, so it's definitely still too hot to try, but it smells really, really good. Let's give it a taste. This one is the one that has high caffeine. It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon, but I had had a rough night. You know, it's actually really good. It's not, the thing is though, it smells really strong of strawberry, but it doesn't taste really strong of strawberry. It just tastes like tea with like an essence of strawberry, but the smell is strong. It's kind of like if you guys watched my last month's Sip Spy unboxing review. I had one that was like coffee nut or something like that. It was supposed to be like a mix of coffee and tea kind of, and it smelled phenomenal, but it did not taste good to me. I think it's because like it was trying to be coffee, and like if you're not coffee, you're not coffee, and I'm like a big coffee person. But this is like literally if you like the flavor of tea but you like having a bit of fruitiness but not like a fruit tea, like a passion fruit tea is too much for you, which I think I am. Like I like that mango one, but I've tried other kind of fruit teas from Starbucks, and like they're just a bit too much. And I really like this actually. I feel like if you made regular tea, just regular black tea or like English breakfast tea or something, and put like strawberries in it, that's what it would taste like infused. Like it's not like a strawberry flavored Gatorade, but it's like a water that has like infused strawberry in it, but it's tea. Does that make sense? The bird you're hearing is fake, by the way. It's a toy for the cats. But I actually really like this one. So far so good. I've liked everything. So we're letting this one steep. Super cool looking. It's like a bath bomb with little bits. It says it's women owned, which is awesome right there, it says. And then it says pour, drop, enjoy. This is a loose leaf tea. Some sediment will be at the bottom of your cup. Drink up. So let's let that do its thing. Looks like, what's it called? Those sea monkeys or something? Hey, let's try it. It looks weird. Look at that. It looks like mud. It's like, can you see that? Hang on. That's so weird. I don't know, I've never had loose leaf tea. Sediment? Are you kidding? There's more than sediment. Like this is like heavy duty bits. I mean, it smells like a mint, like bubble, like not bubble gum, but like mint gum. So I don't think I'm gonna like this one. I can just looking at it makes me like, I don't know. Ugh. I don't like it. No. The flavor. The flavor is fine, but like you could feel the bits, like you can tell that they're there. Like if you ever had like, ew, it's like going down my throat, like instant coffee or something. Like if I didn't use enough water or something, I realized that like I mean, I obviously, like, I'm new to tea, but I mean, ew, no, I don't like that. It's like there's sand in it. That's not for me, but it could be for you. If you know how to do it, maybe I have to put it in like one of those things, a steeper. I don't know if that's the word, like a tea spoon. I don't know. I do want to kind of close this video out since I didn't really come on the proper camera before to do this. I think out of all the boxes I've gotten, this is my favorite. I liked 3 of them. I really liked the strawberry, I really liked the chamomile, and I really liked the, oh my god, what was the other one? The green tea I even liked. Yeah, so 3 out of 4 is the best. Like, honestly, I'd give the strawberry one like a 4 out of 5, the chamomile one a 5 out of 5, the green tea 3.5 out of 5, and this one like a 1 out of 5. But I think this was a really successful box. That's it for this Sips by Tea subscription for June, my opinions and everything. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more from me, and don't forget to go down below and join Sips by if it sounds like it's something that's up your alley, and there's a discount code down there for you to use as well. So bye.